This is my fifth entry for my personal project process journal, and I've decided to switch from making blog posts as the process journals into making videos instead, because I think that's much more faster to do and more efficient. So today I've decided that the meeting schedule with my supervisor, Mrs. Yaki, would change from Tuesdays to Fridays because I've now got character design EX on Tuesdays, and so I can't do Tuesdays. Um, my progress so far is that I've found two resources that I could use for my personal project, which is the publications department of SWA, who Miss Jackie said handles the advertisements and usually posters and whatnot around SWA. And so I'll have to email them and maybe arrange a meeting with them because I heard that they work a lot with Photoshop, and so I could ask them a few questions on how to use Photoshop better because they might know more about it. And another resource is a website called Control Paint, which is a very good website. It's basically a tutorial of how to paint from scratch. Like it's the whole website is dedicated to using Photoshop in order to paint. And so it even explains like the basic of color theory and like how to paint from grayscale and such and such. And so I find that website really useful. The past week I've been looking through some of the videos and I find them to be really good resources for this personal project. What I need to do for my checklist, I guess, is to email Mr. Jeff Taswara of the publications department to arrange a meeting with him, and also jot down notes from watching the videos in Control Paint, and maybe even search for a third resource for my personal project. What I still haven't decided though, which could probably be really dangerous if I don't decide it really soon, is what artworks I'm going to actually make for this personal project, because I've decided that I'll make about perhaps 5 to 10 artworks that demonstrate several methods that you can use in Photoshop in order to create illustration. But what I haven't decided yet is the topic, as in what I will draw, um, like what those 10 artworks will be about. And so I need to decide on that really soon. What I need to talk about in the next meeting is resources, and also the thing I was most worried about before is what the artworks are going to be about. The AOI I have chosen is human ingenuity, and so I doubt that the artworks will be connected to any cast projects in SWA, as Miss Jackie has suggested. However, I'll find I'll think about that a bit more. And so